Previously, we went over how to import your audiences and your conversion goals into the new GA4 from Universal Analytics. So now I'll just take you through the rest of the setup. So you just go back to Setup Assistant, and this is where we did the original imports. You'd have to just go down the checklist. So they've got a nice checklist here for us to go through. The first point would be just to check that the GA4 is indeed collecting your website or app data. So you just click through here to manage data sources. And then what you'd like to see is that it is indeed receiving traffic there. Then scroll down under property settings. You'd want to turn on Google Signals. Previously, we've set up the conversions and defined the audiences already. So that's been imported. And then the final step really would be to link your Google Ads account. And this can also be imported from Universal Analytics. So you just click through there, and then you'd be taken to this screen where you'd be able to select the relevant Google Ads account to link to as well.